Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by gathering ingredients and tools so the process flows. Measure 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoons salt in a bowl. In a separate small bowl, whisk 1 large egg, 1/2 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until combined. Prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment, a 2.5-inch round cutter, and a 1-inch round cutter for holes, plus a cool. Combine dry ingredients, then add wet ingredients and stir gently until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep donuts tender. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead briefly, then press or roll to 1/2-inch thickness for even baking. Chill the shaped dough on the baking sheet for 15 to 20 minutes to firm up so the centers hold their hole. Use a 2.5-inch cutter and a 1-inch cutter for the holes. Transfer donuts to the prepared sheet spaced 1 inch apart. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and place the sheet on the middle rack. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until donuts are pale golden and springy to the touch. While baking, whisk a glaze from 1 cup powdered sugar and 2 to 3 tablespoons milk. Add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla or 1 tablespoon melted butter for flavor if desired. Remove donuts and cool 5 minutes on the baking sheet, then 5 minutes on a rack to firm. Dip tops in glaze or spray melted chocolate and let set before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.